afternoon, y'all, man. It's cold as hell out here. So, bringing y'all another video today, man. I'm not playing, man. I'm trying to get as many videos as I can done. But today, I got something a little different for y'all. Not sporty. Kind of still classy, I think, to me. Classy. But 2018 Chrysler Pacifica is the limited model. This thing is nice, man. Nah, I know all of y'all saying, yo, he doing a van. Why a van? Like, this van is definitely not to be underestimated, man. This is one of the nicest vans I have ever driven. It's one of the nicest vans I've ever seen by far for looks. So let's start with the front, man. You got the front fascia. That look good, man. Same fascia that's on the 200. Look good. So you got your, you got your lights in there. You got your high beams, and you got the LED strip. Sorry, that comes on while you're driving. This also has the fog lights. Now this is the limited, so the limited is gonna have all the chrome pieces around the car. So you'll notice all the chrome trims. You got the chrome piece on the mirror. You got the chrome wheels. Now the sickest wheels I've ever seen. Sickest stock wheels on any car, man. These are 20s too, so love those wheels, man. Again, got the chrome mirrors with the LED turn signals. So you got the chrome pieces on the door. You got the chrome bar down here on the bottom. So you're gonna see a bunch of chrome up here too. So chrome piece at the top. Those wheels again. And we come to the back. So the difference between this and the S model has the black wing on the front, the black wing too. Blacked out letters on the other model. So again, this is a limited, so everything's chrome. So you got the detection sensors and all of that. So that's crash warning sensors or whatever you want to call them. Now, what I like about this the most is the key fob. The key fob on this is super nice. So key fob, you got unlock, lock, and then you double tap for the trunk, double tap remote start, double tap for side door, driver side, double tap for passenger side. Dang, I'm getting stuck. Chrysler. So just so y'all know, man, that I'm not playing. Brand new 2017 Chrysler Pacifica, white. I think it has like 20 miles on it or something like that. But that's it, man. That's the outside. I like it, man. You know, all the factory vans, SUVs, trucks come with that tinted, tinted windows, front and back. This is one of the cleanest vans, man. I'm telling you, cleanest vans I've ever seen. So we're gonna hop in because it's super cold. But I'm gonna just show y'all. This key fob is so useful. You know, you could get everything open just by, double tap for the trunk, double tap for that. We're gonna double tap the doors. Boom. That easy, man. You don't even gotta touch nothing. For some reason, I don't know what's going on with that door over there. So there you go. You got the trunk right here. Now you got all your buttons back here too. So normal, you got the stow and go. This is all controlled. So all you gotta do is pick what side you want to do. So let's do the left side. We're gonna hit stow. Look at that. Boom. Transformer style, man. That's dope. I haven't seen that, and I remember back in the days, man, you used to have to hit the little boop boop, and you used to have to do it manually. So just like that, man, click of a button, man, easy. Right side you could do too, or you want to do both of them at the same time. That's dope too. Or you can move them forward as well. So stow and go normal. I can just put that back real quick if I wanted to. Now this model comes with the stow and go vacuum cleaner. So all you gotta do is pop that open. You got the vacuum cleaner part up here. Boom, look, good to go. Do all your vacuuming and stuff. So that's pretty. I think that's so cool, man. You don't even gotta go to the, you don't even gotta go to the car wash, man. You can vacuum it right from in your driveway. That's crazy. So same thing with the remote, man. I'm gonna do the same thing. So we gonna boom, close that side. We gonna close the other side. Look at that. Woo, that's clean, man. You don't even gotta touch a button. That's clean. So it's keyless. You can lock the car. All you gotta do is have the key on you. Put your hand in there like so, boom, doors open, easy. Now look at this interior. I know y'all probably seen it from the back, but I had to do this van because this interior is insane. I like this, man. It's like a Hershey chocolate. They call it mocha, but you know me, I'm gonna call it chocolate. I got my own name. So this is a nice chocolate, milk chocolate at that. Chocolate interior. This is cool too. So you got the automatic driver passenger windows, and the back windows are automatic too. So you gotta have that. Y'all know I like the automatic windows. You can, it's got memory seats. You can set the seats to whoever's driving currently. You got storage space down here, a little cubby. You got more storage here, cup holder here. Jump in. Now this two-tone steering wheel, so nice. Got the chocolate in the inside, the black outside, all leather wrap. The dash got the chocolate, nice leather wrap. The stitching is real nice. It's a gray tone stitching. Now, I don't know why, but the Pacifica has the sharpest Uconnect system. Clean, super clean Uconnect system. The color in the picture is so crisp. Almost like a, I don't know if y'all know about the OLEDs, but almost got like a OLED type of look to it. It's so crispy, so clean. And it's so responsive too. So then we got, let's look at the cluster. There go the cluster right there. So, you know, typical cluster. You got your analog over here, and then you got the nice digital screen in the middle. Don't get it twisted. The digital screen is nice. Started up, got the Pacifica in a minute. Okay, so 93 miles. I said 20. I was way off. I don't know where I got 20 from. I probably was looking at the temperature. But that's that, man. It's super clean. Like the black trim right here is so shiny. This right here is a nice little setup right here too. I like this. You know, you got your shift knob. Way better shift knob on this, man, than the 300 and 200. The shift knob on this one is so smooth. It's clean. It's got a nice little ridge on the outside. You got your parking brake. You got some storage room in there. You got more storage room here. Boom, you pop that open. You got more storage room, quarter space, nickel, dime, whatever. More storage space. More storage space down there. You got a lighter right there. Charge up some phones. USB here. You got more storage space right here. So this is like, I mean, this is the perfect storage van. You know, everything you need. 2 cup holders. You got more storage space right there. So this is, I mean, the most practical van I've ever sat in. Now this also has the full sunroof too, and the back seats have a sunroof too. We'll jump back there in a second, but I just want to show y'all. All right, so let's swing that all the way back. There we go. Open her all the way up, man. Boom, like so, man. Yo, ain't that so nice? Excuse the GoPro up there. You know, I gotta use it for our drive when we get ready to go do a drive. But let's hop in the back real quick. Door. Boop. Hit the button like so. Easy, man. That's it. Now, for the middle row, they also have these little, you know, vent shades. So if y'all don't want too much sun there, you got the vent shade. Boom, pop it like so. It's real easy, real responsive. So, you know, it's easy to put. It won't get stuck. That's pretty cool too. So now see on the back seats they have USB. So see, I mean, you sitting right behind whoever driving, you can charge your phone. That's pretty cool too. Now they have heated seats in the back as well, heated on both sides. This one you got to do by yourself. So this, you push the button, it moves the seat for you, so you can do it manually. Just hit this real quick, just like that. Boom, seat in there. Boom, seat like that. Boom, easy. Let's try it again. Okay, there we go. Boom. I mean, I'm no van person, but you know, it's not as easy as it looks, but that's pretty cool. That's nice. I like that. You know, you could put the seats back in there real easy. That's how you stone go it. Easy, pull the strap to put it back down. But that's it, man. Let's go on a drive. I think we should go on a drive. Actually, let me show y'all one more thing. Let's close this door. Easy like that, boom. All right, let's get back in the back. I want to show y'all this sunroof, but what you have to do is push it up and boom. You got your own little sunroof in the back. So I'm cool like this. Like I could stretch out, man. I'm cool like long trips. If you sit back here by yourself, you cool. It's roomy. You know, oh shoot, even the third row got his own little shade too. So this is practical. Like, I wasn't expecting this from this van. I mean, I knew it was nice, but I wasn't expecting this. So this is super nice, super nice. And I can't get over this interior, man. Like, I would get this interior in any car. Something about chocolate, man. Gotta love chocolate. They always say, man, once you go black, you don't go back, baby. So I don't know, I just like this interior though. So we gonna put my seat back in the front, how my driver's seating was set, just like that. Woo, boom, easy. So let's hop out, hit that button, close that sliding door. That's so smooth, so smooth. When you in a rush, man, that's gotta be, that's so practical. You in a rush, getting your kids in the house, you don't got time to come out here and close doors. Just hit them buttons in the house and boom, all the doors close. Man, simple. Now, compared to the Town and Country, this is way better by a long shot. I mean, by the design, the looks, the interior, the features, everything. This is, in my opinion, way better than the Town and Country. When they made this van, man, they had a plan. And to me, they did good, man. Town and Country, I know a Town and Country has sunroofs, but I'm not sure they came with a panoramic roof and a sunroof for the third row passengers as well. So let y'all. Now it moved now for a van. So it do pick up for a van now. Don't get it twisted. It's still got that strong V6 on it. So I mean, I don't know what else to tell y'all, man. This is so nice. Like, I'm just beating everything else on the road. I know it's a competitor far as the Kia van, whatever it's called. I don't know the name of it, and the Odyssey, I believe. This is in competition with, by far, better looking than both of those vehicles. And man, like, I feel like I'm in my car. I could just chill and drive this all day. Oh man, I like this van. Yo, Shane, man, you might as well let me hold this, man. Yo, I forgot, shout out to my boy Shane, man. He the reason that we doing this review today, man. Marina Dodge, Webster, New York, man. Check them out, call them, or you can deal with anybody in there, man. They all pretty good dudes. I just deal with Shane, man. I usually go there. He always there. He's there every day, but I think Thursdays or something like that. But yeah, man, you might have to leave my 200 at the shop, man. I want to take this for a little weekend because this is nice. Little pricey for me, but this is nice. 44,635. That's Charger Scat Pack money for me. I wouldn't spend that much money on the van, but for those big families, this van is top notch, man. A1. It's tough. And I can't get over the screen too, man. The screen is so crispy, bro. It looked like you were sitting down watching TV. It's like a 4K display almost. Super crispy. Super crispy. I can't get over that, man. That screen is so clean. All right, just like that, man. That's it, y'all. I thank y'all for watching again, man. Look, listen, call my boy Shane, man. Hit him up. Facebook, Instagram, all that stuff gonna pop up on his description, man. Phone numbers, where he work at, everything. So call him up, man. Hit him up, let him know, or ask for anybody there, man. Or if you ask for Shane, tell him MoparMayne sent you, Tremaine sent you, Trey, whatever you want to call it. Tell him I sent you, man. Tell them you like this van, you interested in this van, so, or any other car that they got. They got thousands of cars, man. This lot is full with trucks, vans, Challengers, Chargers, everything. Jeeps, they got a ton of new Jeeps, Wranglers. So just check them out, man. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, y'all, because I got a ton of more videos coming. I'm waiting on some mods to come in for the 200, so don't forget to subscribe, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. As always, man, Mopar, no car. I'm out, y'all.